I didn't set out to build a skincare company. I was just trying to solve a problem that I was dealing with myself. I started experiencing hair loss and thinning, and like most people, I went down the rabbit hole. I found microneedling. There was products, tools, devices, promises everywhere, but the more that I looked, the more it all felt the same. Mass-produced, overhyped, and honestly, not much built with the real intention behind how they worked. As a mechanical engineer, that did not sit right with me. I went to my kitchen table and started taking all these apart. I looked at the motors, the way the tolerances were, how the needles actually moved across the skin. And what I found was pretty clear. Most of them weren't designed for precision. They were designed to be inexpensive, easy to manufacture, and good enough. That's where Vaera started. We approached microneedling like an engineering problem, because at its core, it is one. Our device is built around a completely re-engineered motor and sensor system, so we designed our own components to achieve ultra-fast and tightly controlled needle actuation. That level of control allows for more consistent motion, uniform contact, and an overall more refined experience. Instead of variability and drag, you get smooth and repeatable performance. Instead of a generic tool, you get something that's actually engineered to be done properly. And it's not about doing more, it's about doing it right. No shortcuts, no loose tolerances, and especially no guesswork. Just precision engineering applied to something that people can use on their skin. And that's the difference that you can feel. We're also part of the Robotics Factory Accelerate cohort here in Pittsburgh, where we're building alongside other companies developing advanced hardware and robotic systems. Just being in this environment has really pushed us to not only think differently about our product design, but especially about performance, reliability, and scaling without compromising quality. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just skincare. It's a precision device, and it should be built like one. Vaera is about raising the standard, bringing real engineering, real control, and real intention into everyday routines. No trends, no hype, just better tools built the right way.